My heart breaks when I see a situation where there is a 6-year-old girl and the coach says that, hey, you're so talented that for sure you're going to win the under-8 championship. And it's like it's somehow similar to me as you would say for a girl that, oh, you can finish elementary school, and you say for a boy that you're going to finish university. So it's like you don't give the perspective, the same perspective. And it seems to be very small and not significant, but at the end it will be. I usually say an example that it's like you have 2 cars and it goes for like thousands of kilometers, and with one wheel you make 1 millimeter to the left for the wheel and the other one a little bit to the right. This is, I think, how education works with girls and boys, that in the beginning they are head-to-head. They are more or less the same. They want to be happy, they want to play, they want to succeed. And then later, girls get these very small remarks on their beauty, on their look, on their potentials, on the possible reaching whatever in chess, in sport, in etc. Boys get completely different feedbacks and phrasing their efforts, right? And it's like the car. If you see it for the first 100 meters, they are like going head-to-head. But eventually, 10,000 kilometers after, you see that one car is in that direction, other one is there. And this is what I feel in education, that this is very dangerous, that day by day, with great intention, positive intention, as parents, as coaches, they do want to support the girls also, but still they are not necessarily realizing how much we put a trap and the borders so short. So, well, that's my view.